It's high up, so you're gonna have to take it down. Switch you.
It seems too big for a Hammond. Is this an alder flycatcher?
It's an alder.
I told you.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Green.
Okay, it's a recapture.
Yeah.
2221 32625 12.5. Go.
Let it go.
Okay, Dad, recapture. You always
Go
say
ahead.
to focus.
Go ahead.
Well, I
I'm
need
focused. Go ahead.
No, you are not focused.
Yes, I
You're
am.
on your phone.
Go.
This is a myrtle warbler. 91. 73 wing. Okay, calm down. Okay, put your head that way. I'm having a lot of trouble with weighing them today. No! Oh my god! Oh, it's 9 even. Go. Okay, stop. 10.5. This feels like a little. It's so little. 53 wing. 5.6. Ah, there's a birdie! A female blackpoll!
Tie it up. Tie it around the bag. It doesn't get out. Ted Kelly extracts a bird from the net.
A little Wilson's warbler has been extracted from the net by Ted Murphy Kelly, my father. Okay, 0 scribe? I mean,
Zero band.
0 scribe.
This is a Blackpoll Warbler, BLPW. It's a 6x1, 5x1. 8.5 grams. This is 0A band.
Oh, the little.
5x1, 4x1. 55 wings, 5.7 grams. It's an alder.
I told you.
Oh, okay.
1x1 for age, 0 sex, 74 wing.
These mosquitoes. You're getting more cereal, Cora?
19.9 grams.
19.1.
9.
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
19.9. Okay.
Okay, the yellow warbler.
Yeah. Is that a little male?
Yes. Like this all the time. Okay. 64 wing. Kind of rabbit.
5x1.
So 5x1. Okay.
5x1, 4x1.
5x1, 4x1. And now we weigh it. Oh, that's too big. There. Get in. 7.0 grams. Okay.
It's a female, right?
Yeah.
Yeehaw!
1 quarter.
The age is 6x1.
Yeah.
Yes, I got it. Thank you, Father.
Thank you for the information we already had. Now we do the wing.
Yep.
60! We love an even queen. What if the weight is also even? She's just even in every way. No, it's not. 6.6. Why are you going up that way? Go.
Out of time jump just now.
Next 6. That's it. That's it. That's all.
Mosquito.
Thank you for coming to the show, everyone.
And the little puppy. Slow down. Running stuck on a branch. Get off. Okay, wait for me.
2740 18250. Wait for the weight. 12.2.
Oh. No.
Okay, thanks for watching. Rudy, no! So I hope you enjoyed. That's about it. We just closed up everything, and I'm exhausted, and I got a pole hit my leg. My dad hit me with a pole on accident. Okay,
All right.
thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.